What's up, YouTube? I haven't made a video in a while, so I figured I would just make a quick video of all the things I've been up to lately. Quite a few things have changed recently, so yeah, I don't know. Try to get into more video logging type deal shit. I don't know, I watch a lot of other people's videos and I don't know, just kind of want to do it my own way and I don't know, see how it turns out. But I can make some good videos probably. But here, I'll switch this around, show you guys some stuff. My dog Rigger. How you doing, bud? And my new Kubota I picked up last weekend. We'll get more into that thing later. Got some other stuff going on. Got to change oil in it. I'll probably make a little video of that. Tons of landscaping equipment around here right now. Some leaf loaders. It's the time of year. But, more or less, got a bunch of shit up here too. My brothers walk behind. I walk behind. 32 Metro. All my blowers and stuff. My pit bike, KLX 110, things pretty neat. Some trailers, my truck and my CR250 I bought. Got to actually unload this thing, so we'll see how that goes. I was gonna try to unload it without moving the truck, but my neighbor's parked there, so I don't know, we'll figure something out. First of all, I'm going to try to clean up all this stuff up here so I have room. Just don't have room in front of the garage at all, so do a cold start of the old Metro. Sorry guys, I made this new handle and it's a pain in the ass to use. Alright guys, I gotta move this thing just so I can get the dirt bike out of the back. CR250R. I don't think I've even posted any videos of this thing. Put the newer fenders on it and cleaned it up. Excel Town wheel set. Lowering link. Race Tech suspension. Coated forks. Triple clamps, bars, spark busters, seat cover. Has a pro circuit on it with a DEP pipe. Never really heard of them. Some weeds wrapped up in the rotor. My first 250, so 2-stroke at least. Pretty cool. like to go in neutral for a second, usually just so it can circulate through the trans a little bit. These Dodges are known for their, I don't know, intermittent and undeciding shift points, so. And that's that. So I usually unload it anyway. But yeah, it's my 9612 valve. I haven't really made a lot of videos of it, so I don't know. Cool truck. Maybe building a fire pit soon too. I don't know. Probably make videos of that. There's just a liner for it. Alright, now I'm going to start changing the oil for the Kubota. Just got to go grab it out of the truck. And then I'll warm up the Kubota and then dump all its oil out. Alright, in the middle of the oil change here. Stuff is pretty dirty now. Probably safe to say it's been a while since this thing's had an oil change. And while we're down here, I've got to get this welded too. The loader mount down here cracked, so kind of it's not that solid. This side was fixed once before already, but they put a pipe inside the pipe and welded on top of it, so it's like double walled. Probably gonna do the same to this one, but right now we're dealing with oil. Just a little oil changing trick for filters, and to avoid, like, because usually filters are in a pretty bad spot. Like this one, if you take it off, it'll just pour all over the side of the tractor. So I just get a little piece of cardboard and try to tuck it up kind of in line or behind where the filter screws onto, just slightly, so the oil doesn't drip on the entire tractor on the way out. But I don't know, it just saves you time and keeps your tractor cleaner too. I don't know, just a thought. I usually do this on not just tractors, but trucks, quads, dirt bikes, anything that I can kind of direct the oil away from getting on everything. Alright, we'll see how this works. I'll try to hold the camera while I take this oil filter off. And I have an oil pan just underneath here. It's kind of hard to see. Dripped it right off and my pan, just like I wanted it to. Just have to hold it because I already dropped one in there.